How to use AI script or text to video generation feature or video GPT in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can use video GPT in CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So CapCut launched a Video GPT, which is an AI-powered feature that will allow users to generate short videos from scripts or prompts using text-to-video technology. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the browser, then head over to CapCut Web, that is www.capcut.com. Make sure that you're signed in. Now once you're here, there's an option as free AI video maker, so click on it. Now once you land on this page, here you have multiple options which is instant AI video, brainstorm, avatar video, then match media to script in one click. Now to create a video, let's get with the first one that says instant AI video, so click on it. After that, first of all, you'll be asked to choose your avatar style. So you could select one from here. Select the aspect ratio, then here you have to add a script or the prompt. So under the prompt, I will just write in a skincare routine for the glowing skin. So here you have to provide the prompt as you wish or as you want. And once you're done entering your prompt or script, click on create. Now you have to wait for a while until your video gets created. Here it says splitting screen, created voiceover, then generating media. Now once you wait for a while, if you go and play your video, you will find your video created using your prompt or script.
A skincare routine for the glowing skin.
So that's how you can make a use of a video GPT in CapCut using your prompt and script. Make sure that you provide full and understandable script for the longer video. Here I have just provided a simple prompt for the demo only, but if you want to create something long or something creative, make sure that you have a creative prompt as well. So once you're done, now you could export your video and then you could use it. So that's it. That's how you can use a video GPT to create the video using text or script in CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.